Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create an AI presentation for free, and we will use this Google Notebook LM. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do, you can open the Google Notebook LM here from your browser, and also don't forget to log in first with your Google account. And this is the look of the home page if you already clicked the trying the Notebook LM. As you can see here, this Notebook LM will give you the several example about the presentation that they have created before. I'll give you to open this one of the presentation over here, and as you can see, these are the example, let's say the video presentation that will explain or present about the William Shakespeare and the complete plays here. And also this will give you the, let's say, the summary and also the complete whole presentation from a lot of source. Let's say I will play this video presentation for you.
You know, for over 400 years,
and you can actually download this video presentation and you can upload it or present it into your audience. And you can also see the mind map of it, of this, about the Shakespearean here. What if we would like to try it by ourselves? So don't worry guys, we can go back to this home page and you can start to create new over here, and it will direct you into this section to upload your file. Here, for example, I have prepared for you guys. So this Notebook LM will help you to process the data over here, and as you can see, I have prepared for you guys, don't worry. And this is the look when you are not generating the, let's say, the video, the video, audio, and mind map. And then let's say if I would like to generate this file into the mind map, then I will just easily click it, and this Notebook LM will help you to generate a mind map here, and you can simply presentate it, or you can also download it, and it will be downloaded into the PNG file over here, and then you can put it into your, let's say, presentation. Or you can also download or generate it into the audio first. Since this generation will need a little time, maybe 15 minutes, and it depends on the complexity of this file, then it will be longer. So don't worry, because I will give you the example here. As you can see, this is the audio that already been generated. So I will play it for you. How to generate it? So you can just simply click it, and this is the result. And let's see and let's hear the result.
Escaping. It's practical, planned, sustainable. We've been digging into the tips-to-live-off.pdf and our mission to get you the vital insights, the actionable steps, really help you understand what it actually takes to live autonomously.
So that is the audio that have been generated. So what if I would like to create the video presentation? Then you can simply click this video overview, and it can be longer to generate it because the audio and also the video is more complicated, but also detailed in at the same time, because it also integrated by this information that you would like to present in the presentation. And don't worry, because I have prepared for you guys. This is the video that has been generated by this NotebookLM. Then I will play it for you. Then you can play it.
Today, we are diving into something that, let's be honest, a lot of us have fantasized about: off-grid living. It sounds like a dream, right? But with the right plan, it's actually an achievable goal. I mean, have you ever made? Picking your spot is about so much more than just a nice view.
And this is the content that is inside of this video. And also don't worry, because you can download it and you can also upload it and present it into for your audience. And if you would like to have the report, let's say, or the briefing document, the study guide, then you can just click it and it will give you the result over here. Let's say I have choose the briefing document, and this is the point that being informed into this presentation. So it is very detailed, right? And it is for free, and it will help you to present your idea for your audiences. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this NotebookLM, because it is the game changer to create the presentation. And I hope this AI will also help your work efficiently. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel. And also don't forget to put your comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And don't worry to put your feedback in it. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.